Good morning, all of you. So yesterday I gave one homework. Find the following. Find x in the following figures. Okay, using that property of exterior angle sum property, you can find out that value of x. Okay. Now question number 2. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. Okay. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of, two questions are there. First one is with 9 sides. So how we can find out the measure of each exterior angle if it have 9 sides? Here also we can use the angle sum, that is exterior angle sum property. Exterior angle, sum of the exterior angle of any polygon will be 360 degree. So what we can write? Sum of exterior angle. Sum of exterior angle, that will be equal to 360 degree. Here it is given number of side is given 9 side. Okay. Number of side is given 9. So what will be the measure of each exterior angle? Therefore, the measure of each exterior angle equal, how we can find out? Using the same method, 360 divided by 9. The total sum of that exterior angles, then number of sides, dividing by number of sides, that you will get 40 degree. Each angles will be 40 degree. Same question. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of having 15 sides. That you can do as homework. Same method. Okay. Total angle we know. The sum of the exterior angle we know, that will be 360. And here in this question, in the second question, it is number of sides is given 15. So what will we can do to find out the each exterior angle? It will be 360 divided by 15. Okay, that you can do as homework. Next question, question number 3. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? How many sides? Here exterior angles, each exterior angle is given 24 degree and it is given it is a regular polygon. Then how many sides will be for that polygon? That is the question. So here also we know the sum of that full exterior angle, it will be how much? 360 degree. Okay. Question number 3. Sum of full angle will be how much? 360 degree. Then measure of each exterior angle is given. Each angle, that is each exterior angle is given how much degree? 24 degree. So how many sides will be for that polygon? This given it is a regular polygon. So number of sides will be 360 by 24. 360 by 24. Then you will get by division, you will get 15. So how many sides will be there? 15 sides will be there. So easy questions are therefore. Next question. Fourth question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165? Here it is given each of interior angle is given how much? 165 degree. How many sides will be there for that polygon? That is the question. So if it is given exterior angle, you can use that sum of the exterior angle of any polygon will be 360 degree. But here it is given interior angles only given. Then how we can find out that? So if for any polygon, if the interior angle is given, we can find out its exterior angle using which property? Using linear pairs. So if the interior angle is 165 degree, then each exterior angle will be how much? Each exterior angle will be how much? From total of that interior and exterior will be how much? Sum of that two angles will be 180. So 180 minus, what is the interior angle is given? 165. Okay. So if it is total for a linear pair, we know the sum of that two that is sum of interior angle and exterior angle, it will be 180. So to find out interior exterior angle, we can subtract 180 minus 165. So each exterior angle will be 15 degree. Now what we want to find out? How many sides does this polygon have? How we can do? So the number of sides will be same as we do first step. So from the total sum of that exterior angle divided by 50. So we will get it as number of sides will be 24. Okay. Now next question. Fifth question. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with the measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Okay, listen that. So it is only a yes or no question. How we can do? Read that. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with the measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? If each exterior angle is 22 degree, so if it is a regular polygon, so if the sum of the exterior angle we know that will be 360 degree. So when we divide 360 by 22, we will get a perfect number or not, that we can check. Otherwise 22 is it divisible of 360, that we want to check. When we divide 360 by 22, it is not divisible, so it is not possible. It is not possible a regular polygon with the measure of each exterior angle as 22. Okay, because when we divide 360 by 22, we will not get a perfect number. Okay. So next question B. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Is it to be an interior angle? No. If it, how we can check? If it is interior angle 22, what will be the exterior angle? 180 minus 22 that we want to take. 180 minus 22. 180 minus 22. Then what will be the exterior angle? We will get 158. Now, is it 158? Is it divisible by 360? Not possible. So, it is also not possible. Clear? Next question, sixth one. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Why? What will be the minimum interior angle? Okay, minimum interior angle possible. So, for any polygon, it will be a regular polygon. It should be a regular polygon. So, if it is a triangle, if it is a regular polygon, we want to take a equilateral triangle. Three sides should be equal. And question is, what is the minimum interior angle polygon? Interior angle possible for a regular polygon. So, if it is a regular triangle, that means regular triangle, it will be equilateral triangle. Each angle will be how much degree? That we know the sum of that three angles will be 180 degree. So, each angle will be 60 degree. So, it will be 60 degree. Now, we take another regular polygon with 4 sides. What is the regular polygon with this 4 sides? It will be a square. So, what will be the angle of that square? Each angle will be what? We know the sum of that. Using property of square also we can find out each angle will be 90 degree. Otherwise, the sum of that 4 angles will be 360 degree. So, 360 by 90, 360 by 4, we will get each interior angle will be 90. Now, if it is a pentagon, regular pentagon, that time also when we take, we know the sum of that full interior angle, the sum of that interior angles, we find out that n minus 2 into 180. Here 5 sides are there. So, 5 minus 2. So, 3 into 180, we will get 540 we will get. So, each angles will be how much? 540 by 5. So, each angle is 108. So, when the number of sides increase, the interior angles will be increased. The measure of interior angle will be increasing. So, when it is 3 sides, it will be 360. When it is 4 sides, the interior angle is 90. When it is 5 sides, it is 108. So when we continue this, if it is 6-side polygon, 6-side regular polygon, if its interior angle will be more than 108. So what we can answer for this question? What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? So minimum it will be 60 degree. So that will be for an equilateral triangle. Okay. Now question B. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? What is the maximum exterior angle possible? So if the interior angle minimum, then that case will be the exterior angle maximum. For which case interior angle minimum, for that case exterior angle will be maximum, because the sum of that two we want to get 180. So for which angle will be, what will be the maximum exterior angle? For interior angle 60, its exterior angle we will get 180 minus 60. So it will be 120 degree. That will be the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon. Clear that? For an interior angle, the minimum will be 60 degree. In that case, will be the maximum exterior angle. You look here, what will be the exterior angle? If interior angle is 90, what will be its exterior angle? That also will be 90. Because the sum we want to get 180. So in this case, if this interior angle is 60, what will be this angle? The sum of that two angles we want to get 180. So one angle is given 60, so the other angle will be 120. So the maximum exterior angle possible will be 120. In other case, in this case, the exterior angle will be less than 90, will be decreasing. If the number of sides increasing, the exterior angle will be decreasing. So this is the minimum interior angle possible 60 degree and maximum exterior angle possible it is 120 degree. Okay, thank you.